Okay, somebody should tag Matthias to this video. I call him Matthias the chief propagandist because Oteno Bidoli spread this propaganda to our people. Lies. You have not yet entered into politics. You will be worse than other leaders I may go in this country. You will be worse than other leaders I may go in this country with the kind of lies and propagandas no happen. Watch this video then. I have something. I'm challenging Matthias now. I'm challenging Matthias again. The first one I made all also. This second one I hope he will not run again. Now listen.
Let justice prevail. Let justice prevail. Let justice prevail. I'm somebody whom my people love so much.
Okay.
I'm somebody who has helped a lot of people in the southeast.
Legend.
I built a free hospital for the less
A free hospital for the less people. 32 houses. 32. A lot of people to India for different surgery. Healed over 6,500 people medically.
I don't know what my people want.
So, if our area this morning, Matias said, I have built over 32 houses for poor people. Matias said, I have taken a lot of people to India for different treatment. Matias said, I've healed over 6,500 people. Then Matias said, I built free hospital for less privilege. Now, here is the game. Here is the game. Matias, I am willing to volunteer myself to follow you to each and every of those over 32 houses that you have built for people. I will cover it. I will post it myself on social media to show people that this is the good things that Matias has been doing. Each and every of those 32 houses, I will fuel my car. Forget about anything about. In fact, we can even use my car so that you won't have to waste fuel. You don't have to waste fuel on your own, waste your own money on fuel. I will use my own car. We will go to all those over 32 houses. We will go and cover them because the last time I checked, you only posted 4 on your page. That is one. Number 2, you said you have healed over 6,500 people. If you can show me the file of also when you no na hospital also file. If you can show me 1,000 patient file of 1,000 patients out of that 6,500, I will give 1 million naira to your hospital. Yes, if you can show me 1,000 patient files out of that 6,000 over 6,500, I am going to donate 1 million to that hospital. To me to that hospital. If I don't have money, I know who will give me. That is number 2. Number 3, you have taken a lot of people to India for them to go and carry out several operations. Matthias, if you can show me, you said a lot of people, right? If you can show me 6 people, if you can show me 6 people that you have taken to India, if you can show me 6 people that you have taken to India, I know it is only one person, and which is the one in the mother to Kotalego, the guy who ever won you opportunity when poverty alleviation program. That was how you went to India to go and hustle. So it was even the people who helped you. Yes, you became a sole beneficiary of that particular project because the guy you went there. It decided to say, where should I call? That was how you stayed how long in India before you came back to Nigeria. So I challenge you to show me. I said, I know it is only one person, but show me 5 because you said a lot of people. Show me 5. Show me 5 people. I will willingly mark. Yeah, I will willingly project you from today henceforth. From the day you show me all these things. If you say, Matias, you say, I'm not know the real Ozibondo. Or for one, it's a build free hospital for poor and less privileged. I'm going to go before 7. Now, Obosi Ukuro and the Igbo free medical outreach. na enwere over 5,000 people no down na that particular stadium. Ụfọdụ bịara from Ebonyi, ụfọdụ bịara from Enugu, ụfọdụ bịara from Imo State, ụfọdụ bịara from Anambra, many bịara, ụfọdụ si even outside Southeast wee bịa. That is free hospital. If ndị eme na-eme free medical outreach maka ndị anya a na-eme announcement yesterday. O nwere nke Chris Azubog na-eme, o nwere nke so many other people na-eme. Ịghọtago amaọkwa ye if ndị mmadụ people eju. So ị nwere free hospital and maternity home na Mkpọ. Matias, as a free something, can you successfully show me 200 patient files from that hospital? 200 patient files from that hospital. Because now include a maternity home also, I want you to show me the file of 150 or 200 mothers because I had antenatal. How much I want to be postnatal, antenatal and postnatal. Hana be antenatal and postnatal. Postnatal the conquer ya after how much also. So I want you to show me 200 patient file of 200 mothers. They're going to one at that hospital. 200 patients. Go at that hospital. You will show me this. After you showed me all this, remember I said I will use this my platform to project Matias as Ozibondo. 1. Number 2, I will donate 1 million to that NGO account. I will do that. Number 3, I will move with my car with Matias to go around those houses, to go around. In fact, I will be part of campaign team Matias. In fact, I will join you, whether now a win or primaries or no win or primaries. There will be other opportunities elsewhere. But be sure that Ezugo will be one of your chief campaigner of your humanity. Show me all this. Actually, if you say this same thing now about Evangelist Ebikobi, about Father Mbaka, about Father Bemonso, about all these fathers now in our challenge anyhow, if you open your mouth and say this thing about them, I will take it upon myself and show you times 3 of that number in a project in I ask for. Hospital bills, they fly outside. That fly outside for treatment, empowerment, that empower. If you say this about any of these pastors in our challenge today, I will take it upon myself to show you times 3 of that number you are asking for. I can go say numbers of Nde through the account of Seraphic Foundation 833 free na Seraphic Hospital na Lagos here. Because I go gungie enwe Seraphic Foundation, Seraphic Hospital. Owuru na Nde ji ego like my friend nwunye ya mụrụ nwa ebe a, o nwere all the money he paid. Mana o nwere ndị enweghị ego. Ha bịa ebe ahụ mụọ nwa, ma ha bịa ebe ahụ onwe treatment treat ha, o wee na ha enweghị onye ya akwụrụ ụgwọ, they don't have money. If I may, I compile all their names. A shift to Seraphic Foundation. Seraphic Foundation is about pool ego where they settle their hospital bills. You got to go because the hospital needs to be running. That is something that is something that is ideal and not propaganda on Matthias, you cannot successfully run a free hospital. Let us tell ourselves the truth. You don't have the capacity, you don't have the fund, you don't even have anything to run a free hospital. The highest donation you have ever received since you started running that hospital, because you don't have the capacity to fund it. 5 million. A devoted Christian out of his church mind. That is the highest money illegal you're handing on as a donation, free will donation, or whether as Nkengo Matiri since that hospital which way Kampoaze Hospital, if you're going to Nyaza. You know what I go? So I can show you thousands of these for all those people in they criticize. Naija Foundation Enugu. About 3, 4, 5 hospitals in Enugu. Father Mbaka will record there. They go on and inject every year to clear patient hospital bills. So I have challenged you on this one. Remember, I will give 1 million to your NGO I will take it upon myself to be the chief campaigner of your humanity, using my resources and everything. You cannot show me propaganda. Every year 6,000 plus. How about 7,000 plus? Are you not taking a record? How about 7,000 plus? I challenge you to prove me wrong now. I will not accept all the challenge you want.